Hi everybody, it's Rita from GmaReezScrapShack. No joke, my desk is a huge mess, but it's because I'm back to work and yeah, this is crazy. So this is just a really cute digital that my sweet friend is helping me with this kit, and this is just a preview, but isn't this amazing? Isn't it cute? Don't you guys love it? So that's just a cute little preview. It's to come. It's not ready yet. She just sent me that and I'm like, oh, I love what she did to it. So, you know, we all love her digis. Anyway, I promised to do a little tutorial, but I'm no joke, my desk is a huge mess. But I do have, you know, this ongoing giveaway for the $40 box of craft goodies, and to enter all you had to do was make me a Rolodex, and I showed some of them, but I got 2 more in the mail today. One was from Melinda. Cute. She sent me this cute card, and when I got it, this was open and the card was inside, thank goodness, but there was no glue here, Melinda, but my sweet postman delivered it anyway, and it looks like this. This was from Melinda. She put a cute little ladybug charm on here, and a cute little, like, it looks like a letter that's tucked in here, and on the other side it has, yeah, it has her name and her address, and then on this side a cute little pocket as well with this pretty cotton trim. And that it looks like another little letter, and on this side it says her Facebook and her YouTube channel. Yeah, so I thought that was super cute. Thank you, Melinda. Good job. So she's entered now in the giveaway. That was from Melinda. The other one that came in was sweet Terry Clark, and this was so sweet the way it came. It was so sweet. But it looks like this. And it's super cute too. She has a little bulb pin here, and it has 3 charms on it. A little heart that says love. It's got a lucky charm, and then this little cute star with this pretty green eyelet right here. It looks like a flower. And it has her information here in this little tuck spot, and then it has more information, her birthday, I think, in this tuck spot. And look how cute, the lace with the flower. And then on the back side, she wrote her phone number, but I won't show that. It's so cute because I texted her right away when I got it, and I guess she just didn't recognize my number. And she made a beautiful card, but I left it in the living room, so I won't show that. Yeah, so we've got a few entries now. I want to say there's, like, you know, here's my sweet friend Rhonda's, and here's Sue Walls, or Sue Carr, I should say. I should turn that around like that. And then this one was Cheryl Kaylee. I'm not sure if I showed this one before, but it's super cute. I like that. And then Gina Christopherson made me one. I put her name right there. And there was several people that wanted to be in, I wanted to exchange the Rolodex cards, but they didn't want to be in the drawing because they wanted to give someone a new crafter a better chance at winning the prize. This one was Catherine Moore, and this was Katrina made me this one, Katrina Kunk. It's just gorgeous. And then this is Paula Lemons. I'm still waiting on a few. I know there's some like on the way. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna make the box when I have time this weekend, because I haven't got to make the box yet, but Katrina put up her tutorial, so I promised to make a tutorial on how I would put together the little Rolodex. And there's all kinds of ways to do it. Sorry, I have stuff everywhere. You guys, my desk I can't even see the bottom of it. I'm so bad. This is something else I was working on, so I gotta put that over there. Let's make sure I got everything right here. Here's one I made that I was gonna send to a friend that I thought was sending me one, but I haven't got hers yet. So I haven't sent it off yet because I'm not sure she's making one. But anyway, I'll show it just in case. So basically you just take your die, you know, and you cut it out of some cardboard or something, and you put your YouTube channel on the back side, and on the front side you need to make a little tag that pops out that has your name and address and your birthday and your phone number. Okay, so that's the other one that I made. This one's going to someone that's making me one. So what I did when I got home today, I'm so tired, but I went ahead and I cut out some Rolodex dies, and when I do it, I just cut like, sorry, I'm so all over the place here. I just cut a bunch of whatever I think is pretty, okay? And then I have two dies. One's off to the right, and one of the dies sits like with a little thing at the top. That doesn't even matter. It doesn't have to be on there. You could just do the square. You know, if you don't have the die, all you really have to do is 4 inches wide and 3 inches tall. And that could be your Rolodex, and I could always punch out the bottom, you know, when I get it, because I did that for someone else. They didn't have the die. Anyway, this is what I would do. I would just take this piece. You could always trace it from another one, or just like I said, just cut out the square and don't worry about this part, because this part can always be cut out later. I would take that and decide what I want on it as far as like the pocket on the front, or, you know, and then maybe or another one with a design. And I think what I'll do is I'll put this one on this side. I'm just using that Rolodex as a base. And then I could glue it just around the corners and then have a little tuck spot here too. That could be a pocket. I didn't think of that until just now. And I like to sew, so I'll probably sew it. But anyway, I really like this paper that my friend Dawn sent me, and so I'll probably use that as the front pocket. And I thought this was kind of cute, because you know how ladybugs are red and black. This was just a little notepad that was coffee stained, and I thought that could be the little part that goes right here. And I could always round off those corners with, well, maybe not round. Maybe I'll just do the little heart one. This is a little corner punch that leaves a tiny little heart, and I had to have this when I saw my friend make me some things, and I saw this tiny little heart. I had to have it. So yeah, I might just go like that. I love the look of that. And that could go here. Okay. And then this would just be grunged up around the edges, because, you know, I have to grunge everything. And I ran out of my vintage photo, but this is the distressed oxide, so I might just use that for right now. I got a mess everywhere. And I would just, you know, go along the edges and kind of distress them, because I like the way that looks. It just makes, you know, the paper look older. This isn't coffee stained, it's just the way it was. I just like that look. It kind of reminds me of dirt. My dad was here visiting this weekend, and he said, "What are you doing with that distress oxide?" And I said, "Well, you just put it on the edges of your paper just to make it look older." And I said, I love that grungy look, so I always use it. Some people like different colors, and I do have a few other colors, but that one actually is my favorite. I like the vintage photo. And I'm going to go ahead and grunge up this one too. This is my base, and I just want it to, it's not coffee stained, but that's okay, because I'm just doing a little tutorial on how I would put it together. And like I said, I like the grungy look, so I usually get my edges done up pretty good. This oxide's slightly different, because it kind of changes to an opaque color when it dries. But anyway, I kind of like the way that looks. I think I'll like that. There. And then this could be the little tag that pulls out that has the name. I'll probably put my name right here, and maybe even the address. And then on the opposite side, I could always put something on the back side to make it, I could probably sew that on there too, now that I think about it, because it says name and week ending. I might do that. I might just put that on this side. I think I'll do that. I'll cut it down. I have so many pairs of scissors, it's not even funny, but I like this one. I think I will. I'll glue that right there. Oops. Of course, I gotta grunge it up too. I grunge up everything. And you know, grunging's not for everybody. If you don't like it, you can always skip that part. It's no big deal. The reason I wanted people to make me a Rolodex for this big giveaway was so that I'd have, you know, information on how to, you know, text you or ask you questions about what you're doing. And I like to keep in touch with all my friends. I think I'll do that. I think that looks really good. And I didn't do this side. Very good. Yeah, I did. I did it. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what I'm doing. But that's what I would do. I would just, you know, and I might use, I think I would like it better with the sewing machine. And what color thread you use is totally up to you. You don't have to use the sewing machine. You could just glue it. And for this tutorial, I'm trying to make it kind of quick and easy. So I'll just show you how I would glue it. And then we'll be done with this, and I'll show you something else. I've got a couple of other things I'd like to show. I want to do live. I'm just a big fat chicken, you guys. I don't know that I could do a live video. If I did, not that well, I do. I am afraid I would say something dumb, because I probably would. Right now I feel like I'm saying something dumb, and I'm just trying to, I'm going to get my Fabri-Tac down in here. I've only got a little bit left, but I'm going to use it for this because it dries super quick. I like that about Fabri-Tac. And it'll hold anything, fabric or paper. So since I want this on there, I'm just going to glue it up. If I can get it to come down. There it comes. I'm going to glue the back side. And I really like this time card because it's nice and thick. So it's, which side did I want it on? I can't remember now. I think I wanted it on this side actually. And that way if I want to change my mind, I could put something on that other side. I'm just going to center it right there. And it makes this little note card a little bit thicker and easier to hold on to. It won't be as flimsy as that regular paper is by itself, that little note paper. And I'm going to put this right here. So I'm going to leave this side open. So I'm just going to put the glue. Oh, look, there's a Bible verse on that side. That would have been really cute too. That's all right. I'm just going to go like this to put this down because we're making this a pocket. I've got all kinds of other little things we could add to it if we want to put a Bible verse on there. And I hope you can see this. I don't even know if I'm in the, I should have looked. Am I where you can see? I probably should zoom in a little. Sorry about that, people. Okay. Sorry about that, friends. I'm a goober. I don't do tutorials because I'm just not good at them. Or at least I don't think I'm good at them. I don't know. Maybe I am and I just don't know it. I doubt it though. Okay, so on this is the front of my Rolodex card, and it should have the name showing. So I would write my name right here and then have my address and all that on there. And on the back side, I wanted to make it a little more crafty, and I want to put this. And I'm even thinking that I might leave the pocket at the top. That way things don't fall out. So I think that's what I'll do with this one. I will just leave the pocket at the top. So I'm going to put the glue all around the base. That don't need to open. And yes, I'm going as fast as I can, but I'm a little messy. This is for sure. And everybody can make their Rolodex any way they want. You know, it's supposed to reflect your personality. That's the thing. Like I really wanted it to have, I put a picture on the one I sent to my friends because I want them to see that Rolodex card and know that that's me, you know. But a lot of people don't like to take their picture, and that's fine. So if you just want it to reflect maybe your favorite hobby or something, that's fine too. I love to sew, and that's why this one's on the back side of this one. Okay, so there's the front and there's the back side. And if I wanted to put a charm, I could even hang like, or put a little eyelet right here and hang something off, like a little bulb pin. Like, this was really sweet too, and I forgot to show this On the one that Sweet Rhonda made, this little thing comes off and you actually opened it. I didn't open it, I just flipped it. I didn't realize it opened, but she had even more sweet picture inside here. Isn't that sweet? Yeah, so cool. Rhonda's amazing. She does beautiful work. We're such sweet friends. I love her to pieces. Thank you, Rhonda. It's gorgeous. I loved how that said love, and it had the little key right here and this cute little, you know, tuck spot on the back side. She did my thistle and the ladybug. I thought that was so sweet. Okay, so there you go. That's just how I would do it. I know, and you could always doctor it up, add some lace if you wanted lace, you know, across the pocket area. I don't really want it on there, but it could have, you know, you could always doctor it up however you want. I may do more to this one. If I do, I'll show it later, but there's my tutorial on how to make a Rolodex card, guys. And remember, you just want to put your name and address on the front, and on this side it really should say your YouTube channel. That's how I did my other one. And then if you have another little pocket, or on the back side of this, you want to put your birthday and your phone number. That way your friends can you know, have all your little information and a Rolodex that reminds them of you. There's space right here. I might just put a cute little picture of me on there for who I send this to. What I did was I just printed out a bunch of them, and then I'm cutting them down and I'm fitting them on there. That one's too big. I have some smaller ones. Let me find them. My desk is such a mess. It's embarrassing how messy it is. Okay, here it is. So I had some, you know, a couple of different ones, and whichever color looked better with this, I might put it on that corner. I have so many of them, huh? I don't know which one looks better. Let's just cut them out and see. I'm no diva, but I think the one I took one day in black and white, and then I left one in color. And then the other one was on my YouTube channel. For the longest time it was this one. So I might put that one there because I think it looks better, but let me see. Sometimes you want to just have a little bit of contrast, you know, and since that's in black and white, that might look okay actually right there. Which one do you vote for? Let me know in the comments. That one or the colored one. Here's the other one that looks like more recent picture of me, and I'm wearing the glasses. And this one, I feel like the colored one. Honestly, I think I like this one. I think just because of the black and white, but I think I could get away with putting any of those on there. I don't know. Which one do you think? I think I like this one the best, to be honest. Just because of this little black and white right here, I think that's a good, I think I'll put that one right there. But if you like it different, you can always let me know. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope I shared a little bit to where you can understand how to make them. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.